Good evening, Northside families. Welcome to our open house for the 21-22 school year. It is a pleasure to see all of you this evening. Tonight is an opportunity for you to make connections with your child's teacher and to learn about all the awesome things that are going on at Northside Elementary School. So in order for your child to experience the best quality education that we have to provide, we need them here on time at 7:45 in the morning. However, if you need them to have breakfast, they need to be here at 7:15. So again, our school hours are 7:45 to 2:15 p.m. We have great initiatives going on in our school, and we will continue with our iReady program, our athletics. Again, our kids will be reading and learning how to write and do math. They will have homework each night, so please ask your child every single day, do you have homework? And the answer should be yes, and ensure that they are here with their homework on time. We are a uniform school, and remember our uniform colors are white shirts, yellow shirts, or blue tops, collared tops, and the bottoms are khaki or blue pants. And we encourage you to send your child with closed-toe shoes for safety. And also everyone should have a mask on each and every day. And if they forget, it's okay, because we usually have extra masks available for all of our students. We also want to remind you that it is important that we have up-to-date emergency contact information. A red folder was sent home on the first day of school, and we ask parents that you make sure that the red folders are returned to your teacher with all of the updated information so that we can get in touch with you when we have an emergency situation. Again, I just want to thank you and congratulate all of you for your best efforts last year as we went through the pandemic. And even through the pandemic, we were able to ensure that all of our children got a quality education. And for that, we thank you, parents, for partnering with us. And we continue to ask for your partnership and for your support as we strive to become a school. But you will see around the campus that we have our goal as B or better. So boys and girls, in order to help us get there, we need you to be here on a daily basis and also doing your best. Thank you again, parents, for being here with us, and we look forward to having an awesome year.